Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the Blur Chromo Zoom Effect on CapCut. So here I've already imported clips, and then what you need to do first is click on it and then go to Style, swipe until you find Auto Velocity. So just click on that. And then click on the check icon and the video will look like this. And next, just go back, click on overlay and add a white image from stock videos into the video. Adjust the size, okay, and then go to animations, out, and choose fade out. And in here, just adjust the duration. I'm going to go with this. Okay, I'm going to adjust it like this. So the video will go like that, and then go back and go to effect, video effect, basic, and then here choose the halo blur effect. Okay, after that click on the check icon, adjust the effect so it will align with the overlay. So it'll go like this. And then next click on the video effects again, and then go to party, and in here find the chromo zoom effect. Okay, so just scroll down until you find, okay, this one's right here. Click on the effect and click on the check icon, and the video will look like this. Okay guys, so that's how the chromo zoom video, blur chromo zoom video will be is made. Sorry. And then that's it for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, click on the thanks below, and subscribe this channel. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.